start this video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and check out my Twitter, there'll be a link in the description. So we're back on Bloons Tower Defense 5, where yesterday we tried Impoppable with someone, and now I'm going to try it on my own, and it's my mission. Oh, close. It's my mission to get to level 50 on a course Impoppable. So we'll just try, where is it? This one. Impoppable. Yep, know what happens. Hopefully I have enough to start. Yeah. I have aimed for didn't fit. Okay, bye. Start a dart monkey. Let's see how it goes. So basically last time on co-op we got to like round 27 and we had no balloons that could shoot cannons, so that we failed. Let's get that, and I think oh my god. Let's try again. I think that was actually the biggest fail ever. And that was just so bad. That's a round 3. Oh my god. Well, hopefully we can do better than that because I've put the dart monkey in a better position. Let's see. There we go. Yep. And that. There we go. Oh god. There's a ton coming through. Okay, we're getting the can't afford it. Oh, I want the sub now. There's got to be a ton of red ones coming through. There we go. Put that in. There's absolutely loads. It won't even reach it, will it? Yay, pop one. 3. Round 8. No, round 7. I'm blind. See for barb darts. Look. Yes. Round 8. Oh god, green ones. We probably had green ones last time, but I didn't realise. And now there's loads. Oh god. No. Oh. There we go, round 9. Save it for twin guns. Twin guns. I might have enough here. Yes, exactly enough. Next, advanced intel. Oh, I should just could go like this all the way through. I've already failed today. Well, I'm round 10. And there we go. 570 we need, so we'll probably have enough by the end of the... or not. Or not. So failing today. we go. Like I said yesterday, this is my favourite looking upgrade for the monkey sub. It's better than, I say it's better than when you have it with airbus darts, but obviously it's a better thing with airbus darts. And now submarine can shoot them from far away, which is good. I actually need to get some for camo balloons. I think I have it on here. I just get that triple darts thing as well. There we go. Hopefully that can kill the camo balloons, and I'm going to buy a spike factory in a minute as well, which will just make sure that they'll be destroyed. Also, I could buy a monkey engineer because I have the balloon trap where it captures balloons, turns them into money. So I'll leave that for now. Get that. Shouldn't have placed it there. Waste of money. Sit there. It cost absolutely loads to upgrade. Oh yeah, we can kill. Okay, we're doing what I mean yesterday. Can kill camel balloons. And we'll have enough for bigger stacks, and then faster production. I also should upgrade this to ballistic missile. I'll do this first. Oh no! Oh no! Bomb tower, you are needed. Oh, that could have been bad. Bomb towers have just saved my life, and just saved this video from being really short. Okay, we're past halfway. Level rounds wise, we are probably not time wise. And I can get this now. And I'll get white hot spikes next. Yeah, I think I might make it actually. I get 300 monkey money for making it, which can be really useful coming up. Don't know what for, but buy that. And buy even faster production. I think we're in the clear. Except for the blimps near the end. I won't carry on past 50 if I get there. How much super monkeys? 4,200. Okay. Now we got even faster production, and mob shredder spikes make it laggy, super laggy, but they will be needed. I'm gonna buy that when I have enough. Got an email. So yeah, I'll save up. Oh, should I save up for that or a super monkey? I think it might have to be a super monkey. If I get past here though, they look like they might get through, maybe not. Yeah, I easily got past them there. Almost got enough for the super monkey now. It's in time for the blimps. More lead. More zebra. No, they're probably not called zebra. Oh my god. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh god. Another tense moment. Like that. And hopefully this will make it easier on us. Seems like an easy round. I need that. Final 10 rounds. Come on. It is 7:42. And the blimp is about to come through. I think it's not the next round, but oh, camel balloons, you're scaring me. You're scaring me, camel balloons. No! Whoa! No! No! Well, that's it. Wait till tomorrow to see if I can get through. So that'll be it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.